what we're going to do is that I'm going to show you how to get the descriptive statistics and the frequency table. First, you're going to go to Analyze. We're going to go into Descriptive Statistics, then Frequency. This is what's going to pop up for you. So as you could see, these are the variables that you have in your data set. But what I do is that I change it in order for you to change it, you right click and you could click on display variable names. So then you see ID, gender, height, and weight. And this is the way that we have them up here. You could also put them in alphabetical order. That way, if you have 100 variables, it's going to be way easier for you to find them. Get the descriptives of a variable. So right now it's showing you all the variables that you have. You would need to move it to the right side. You will need to move only the ones that you want to do the analysis for, or the statistics portion of it for that variable. So now what we're going to do is go into statistics, and this should be the one to pop up. We have different types of analysis. So the dispersions, where the standard deviation, the minimum, the maximum, the variance, the range. The standard deviation is the percentile values for the quartiles, the percentiles, the central tendency, which are the mean, the median, the mode, and some other types of statistics that you would want to have. So what we could do is select the mean. Let's do standard deviation. Press continue. This will always be selected display frequency tables, and that is what we're going to need. So we press OK. This is what we see.